Abum, Adim, Anam. Abum, Adim, Anam. These are the three expressions of I am in Igbo language. I am, Abum, I am, Adim, I am, Anam. Then how do you use it? That's where it comes in. The usage of I am, Adim, Abum, Anam. Abum is who you are. Onye kebo, who are you? Who are you? Onye ka ebo. Then the answer will come, Abum. Okay? Who are you? Onye ka ebo. Abum. You say your name. Or where you come from. That's who you are. Or what you do. For example, I am a teacher. Abum onye nkuzi. I am a teacher. Abum onye nkuzi. I am a student. Abum nwa akwụkwọ. I am a student. Abum nwa akwụkwọ. Eji m n'aka na ị na-aghọta. This is expression of who you are. I am abum. Then let's come to the second part. I am Adim. That's feeling. I am Adim. How are you? Kedu kimere. How are you? Kedu kimere. Then the answer comes in. Adim ma. How are you? Kedu kimere. Adim ma. I am good. I am fine. Adim ma. I am fine. Adim ma. I am fine. Adim ma. I hope you're getting it. That's come the third expression. I am Anam. I am Anam. This kind of expression like, where are you? I am coming. Where are you? I am coming. I am coming. Anam abia. Coming. Anam abia. I am coming. Anam abia. I hope you're getting it. Remember to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. I am going to school. Anam aga n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. I am going to school. Anam aga n'ụlọ akwụkwọ. I am sleeping. Anam araru ụra. This expression of what you're doing at the time or what you're doing. I am eating. Anam eri nri. I am eating. Anam eri nri. Eji m n'aka na ị na-aghọta ihe m na-ekwu. Please feel free to ask questions in the comment section. I will explain. Then when you want to say I am not, anayim. I am not, anayim. I am not eating. Anayim eri nri. I am not eating. Anayim eri nri. I am not sleeping. I am not sleeping. Anayim arahu ụra. Ka emesịa.